It's pumpkin spice time. It's pumpkin spice time. Oh, we gonna pumpkin spice it. Oh. Let's go. Oh yeah. Pumpkin spice latte time, homeboy. Check it out, Sky. Pumpkin spice latte, no whip, because I got my own whip. This right here, this Fireball, this is our base. That should be enough. And this right here is pumpkin spice. Look at the color on that, really natural, okay? Pumpkin spice liqueur. I'm not a pumpkin lover, but hey. Then check out this one. This one is a pumpkin pie cream liqueur. So this is like a pumpkin Irish cream kind of like thing. Okay, we only get to use this like once a year, so let's just go all in. Okay, because why not? By next year this will be spoiled. We already had it for 5 years. Save a little bit just in case I have guests over. Then right here, my boys, rum chata. Because you need something just to even it out, okay? Because these two go real good together. I don't know about those other two. It's like a long night of drinking beer. Then just when you finish, oh, okay. Okay. We need some ice. Started off hot. Now we got an iced latte. Now this right here, this pumpkin pie spice, okay? This makes it taste like a pumpkin pie with spice. I don't know, okay? I don't know what the hell this is, okay? But it got something to do with pumpkins, and that's all that matters. Just the season to be jolly, not sorry, jolly, scared. I don't know, fall, I don't know, okay? It's pumpkin time. Put our little straws in there. Bang! And there you have it. The pumpkin spice latte. Okay, ladies love it. They live for this season. Oh my God, it's pumpkin spice time. Okay, they check their watches. I ain't a pumpkin lover, but this tastes damn good. Hey, how old was that pumpkin cream thing? How long we had that?
3 years.
It's alcohol, it don't spoil. They do spoil. Sky, you look like you lost weight. Yeah, it's a pumpkin cream. Anyway, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, stay out of trouble, get some pumpkin spice up in you, okay? Make sure your pumpkin cream is newer than mine. I can pay for that later. All right.